Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Pruitt. Hope y'all are doing well. I'm unbelievable as always. And man, I just got some pretty exciting mail. I know what it is, but I figure I'd do a little unboxing and share it with you all before I give it its, proper review and testing and all of that. But I'm pretty excited about this thing. This is some pretty innovative technology. So let's get on over here to the little workbench and unbox this thing. Let's put this on the tripod here for a second, and we'll just move this whiskey out of the way, but we're not going to get rid of it. Woo-wee! This is pretty. All right, so what we have here is the OBSBOT Tail. OBSBOT Tail. I hope I'm saying that right, but that's how it's spelled. These folks are out of, I believe they're out of Hong Kong. And what this is a 4K motion tracking camera. Not only does it do motion tracking, it also tracks going in a full 360-degree revolution. So if you look at it right here, this is just a pedestal, and the camera, it will rotate 360 degrees all the way around on this, as well as tilt up and down, all at a 4K resolution, Ultra HD that is, and at 60 frames per second. This is some pretty outstanding tech because of the AI that's built into it. At CES this year, 2019, I believe it got the most innovative tech award. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, take a look at it. Appreciate them sending it over to me for a review and test run, and we'll just go from there. Okay, pretty nice package in here. Nice little leather case, leather-ish case. Straightforward. Ooh, man, that's shiny. Woo, look at that. All right. It comes in black and it also comes in red. They obviously sent me the red for review. This was launched on Kickstarter and they've already exceeded their goal and are just kicking butt. I believe they have an April 2019 release, which is right now actually. So it's probably going to be released out into the wild any day now, but it looks like it has a USB-C connection on the back for charging. Yep, right there. This is the camera head, and this is really smooth, just rotating it around like that. So I'm pretty sure the tracking on it is going to be beautiful. OBSBOT Tail. Some other stuff in the box: charging cable, regular USB end, and USB-C. I don't think there's anything else in here. This also has an internal microphone on it. I'm not sure how well that's going to do, but I'm not going to worry about it too much, because if I'm going to be doing motion tracking and things like that, I would probably have another external mic source for my subject, or not even record audio at all. When they announced this thing, they bragged about how great the tracking was, saying, I think the marketing email that I got talked about making your pet an internet star, because you could just sit this on the floor or sit this out in the yard or what have you, and track your pets, your cats or your dogs or what have you, and it'll keep up with them and just track them and give you nice crispy footage to edit. So I'm gonna put that to the test with my dog Kylo and Jax, and we'll just go from there and see how this goes. Right now it is retailing, I believe, at $489. So it's not something that's fairly cheap, but this is some pretty sick technology in here and AI. So I think that price just may be warranted for sure. But we'll give this thing a trial, and as soon as I'm done reviewing it and whatnot, I will definitely share some footage. But this is the OBSBOT Tail, 4K 60 frames per second motion tracking Full 360-degree tracking camera. Pretty slick. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit share, like, and subscribe, and help push me on over to the next 5,000 subscriber channel. Y'all take it easy. We'll see you.